Come test drive the 2018 Lincoln MKT. The Lincoln MKT is engineered for extraordinary moments. The MKT offers best-in-class horsepower and a V8 power with V6 fuel economy. Pair that with MKT's standard 6 airbags and Advanced Track with class-exclusive roll stability control, and you've got the total package and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, navigation system, HD radio. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.